Okay, so for our next set of macros that we're going to be putting together, they have to do with changing the case of multi, or maybe single-worded or multi-worded cell content. So if you look on the screen here, I've got something that will, something that basically will convert, let's say, this group into all uppercase, convert this group all into title case where just the first letters uppercase, kind of like what these look like. And then we'll have one for lowercase as well. Okay, so normally if I were going to be doing this using a built-in function formula that would do the conversion, I still have to do it on the outside, just like we were talking about in that last video. So I'd have to put the formula in here, reference that. This would show up over here. So I do something like I do like an equal upper in this case, and I click onto here, hit my enter key. I would take that, copy it down, that kind of thing. And then I'd have to go back to here, right click that, hit copy, right click it, and hit 1, 2, 3, and that would get rid of the formula, and then I could get rid of this original one here and then have this take its place. So a little bit of work there with that. So I would rather have commands that I can just select the text like this and say, hey, make this uppercase. Hey, make this, title case, or make this down here lowercase, and just do it in place and do it one quick, click of the mouse, make that happen. So that's what this is all about. So the code, the macro code that we're going to use is going to be what you see here. This one's going to be for making it all uppercase. This will be used for making it the title case, or proper case as we call it. And also this one here will be for the lowercase. But very, very simple sets of commands. As you can see there, what's built into the one that makes it uppercase is this special VBA code called UCase. And for this one, as far as the title case, we've got something here called proper, right? And over here, we've got something called L case, and that makes it lowercase. So pretty straightforward stuff, right along the same lines what we saw in the last video. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll select this, and I'll include the titles there. We'll get rid of those when we paste it in there. So there it is. We'll do a right click on it. We'll hit copy. And then we'll go over into our developer tab. We'll go over to our Visual Basic. And we'll be right here. And we'll just do a right click and paste it in. And there it goes. So the only thing we have to fix here is get rid of the titles. The reason why it shows red is because that's not any kind of VBA code, and it's letting us know that that's an error. So that's why it turns red. And we'll delete that. Okay, and then same thing with this one here. And then delete that. All right, so there's our code. All right, so that's all in there, perfect. Now we'll go ahead and we'll close this up. Okay, so next what we're going to do is put those macros into our macro ribbon here, and we'll put them in this group here. So do you remember how we did that? That's right. Okay, we go back to File, go to Options. We go over here to the Customize ribbon. We'll go into our macros area and make sure we get the cool area opened up there so we can drag into it. And then we'll change this over to being macros. And then we'll find our 3 different items here. So in this case, there's the caps one. We can take that one and drag that. I'll drag that underneath the other ones that we've got there. Let go. And then we'll go down a little bit further and we'll see that we've got the lowercase there. We can take that one, we'll put underneath the other one there. And then further down, we should see the title case. There it is right there. So we'll take that and drag that right about right there. There's our third one. Now we'll go ahead and we'll shorten these up a little bit. So we'll click onto there, hit rename. I'll just go there and backspace that out. Caps is good. Pick a picture. Hit OK. Click on this one here, hit rename, click about right there, maybe a little bit over, and then backspace all that. Lowercase looks good. We'll pick the hand. And then for our third one here, which is the title case, we'll go ahead and backspace that out. And we'll go ahead and do the lock. All right, so there it is. We'll hit OK. And if we go back into macros, there we go. All right, so now we'll go back and we'll run these through. So on this one, let's say we want to make this all uppercase. All right, so we'll take that, select it, and we'll find our caps, which will be our uppercase there. We'll click onto that. Perfect. We'll go to this one here. Let's say we'll make this one all, we'll make this title case. We'll make where the first letter is cap. So we'll click on to title case. There it goes on that one. That looks good. And for the last one, we'll make this all go lowercase. Right? So there's lowercase. And again, you can still be on there and say, I want to make it caps now. Oh, now I want to make a title case. Oh, now make it lowercase. I mean, you just go back and forth with these things. Unbelievable. Great set of tools there, though, for anybody that works with data a lot. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you can use some of this stuff. I appreciate you watching. Take care.